Hey everyone, what you're going to do today is give me a progress report on how your research is doing. So what I've done is I've created and shared a document with you that will let you outline where you are in your research process. So to get to that, just go to Google Drive, and in your shared with me folder on the sidebar here, you will see it'll say your name and then research progress report. The document will look just like this. What you're going to do is simply fill this in and tell me where you are in your research. You're going to give me those subtopics that you did last time. So easiest way to do that, I can go back to Evernote or to that Google Doc to see my subtopics and simply type them in. I see all of my subtopics. Here are these different social networks. So I'm simply going to type them in throughout here just to keep me updated on your organization within your research. After you've done that, you are actually going to give me the titles and the links to the articles that you have already highlighted and annotated. So let me show you how to do that. In Evernote, I'm going to see this article. It's all highlighted and I have all of my notes up here. What you are going to do is to share this properly with me with a link to the same thing. So I'm going to copy the title here and paste it here. But then I'm going to, once I change the formatting on this, what I'm going to do is create a link out of this so it links directly to this note. That way both you and I can find an easy way to access the notes that you have already taken. So I've highlighted the title to this already. Now I need to create a link to it. To do that, simply go to Share, Link. And then I'm going to OK making this link public. And I'm going to copy this link to my clipboard. Just like that, I've copied it. Then I'm going to go back over to this document. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click on Link up here. And I'm going to hit Control V or right-click Paste. And just like that, you have given me the title and a link to your Evernote notes in a nice, easy-to-use format in Google Docs. So that way I can come into this document, I can see your notes, I can open it up and click here. This will also give you an idea of what else you need to do in your research. This is the minimum at this point. This will expand as we go on. So once you've filled in all of these with the titles and a link to these articles, you are going to continue to complete more of these if you need to. You're also going to do the same to the Evernote note of this video. So you're going to give me the title of this video, and then you are going to link to the notes within here as well. You also need to create 2 new research questions to guide your next steps. Think about where you are in your research, what's unclear so far, what you need to investigate more. Maybe talk about some interesting stories and mention things that you would like to learn more about. Or maybe think about current events and unfolding events in the news that are relevant to your topic.